As you might have noticed lately, I've shared a few AI-generated videos showing an AI avatar reading text in a way that's easy to watch and listen to. While it's not perfect yet, I think the progress over the past 6 months has been huge, especially when it comes to realistic expressions, natural tone, and how simple it is to make these videos now. After testing tools and comparing options, here's my breakdown of the key components. 1. Workflow automation with N8N.io. This is the foundation. Think of it like a drag-and-drop hub to connect thousands of apps, AI models, or platforms like OpenRouter. I use the cloud version, but you can also host it yourself. You can build pipelines where a text becomes an image, adds music, animation, turns into a video, subtitles, voiceover, and even auto posts on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Check out ready-made workflows like this one to see how it works. 2. AI avatars and video editing. HeyGen. This is my top pick for AI avatars. It has options for different languages, genders, brands, and even settings like yoga studios, gyms, newsrooms, or casual UGC content. It's integrated with tools like CapCut for subtitles and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Super clean setup. 3. Similar tool, Veed. It does almost the same as HeyGen. Create shorts from YouTube URLs, train your own avatar, add subtitles. But I'll probably drop Veed soon since HeyGen does everything better. The cool bonus here is making an avatar that looks exactly like you. 4. Advanced option, JSON to video. For tech-savvy users, this lets you code scenes, transitions, and more through APIs. It's pricier, starting around $50 a month, but packed with options. I'm still diving into this one. Keep in mind, you'll still need to tweak parts manually. Swap out words that sound robotic after voice generation, or adjust phrasing for a smoother flow. Got other tools or ideas? Let me know in the comments. For more up-to-the-minute AI news and updates, please like and subscribe.